From niche and daily mixes to release radar and discover weekly, there are a ton of Spotify mixes with recommendations picked just for you. Here are some tips for you to try during your next listening session. To find all the playlists created just for you, head to the Made For You hub. Your Discover Weekly and Release Radar update every week. Daily mixes update every day, and your daylist updates multiple times throughout the day to match your mood. If you experience problems with your playlist updating, try quitting and reopening your app first. Check that your app is up to date. And if that doesn't work, you can try deleting and reinstalling your app before contacting our customer service team for more help. Unfortunately, we can't recover past versions of your playlists once they've changed, but you can search your recent listens by tapping your profile picture and selecting Listening History. Next time you're listening to a version of any playlist that you love, you can save a copy of it to your library by tapping the 3 dots and choosing Add to Other Playlists. The more you listen, the better our recommendations will be. If you're enjoying a Spotify mix and want to always have it on hand, tap the plus and save it to your library. In your library, you can also long hold on a saved playlist and pin it to the top of your list. But if a mix doesn't hit the mark, just tap the 3 dots and exclude from your taste profile so we can switch it up next time. To learn about other Spotify features and how to use them, follow our Tips and Tricks podcast or subscribe to our Spotify Cares channels.